Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce. My name is Ardanul Hadi Azkia, Management Class 21G. I am here to explain Indonesian economy, income, and the tax system. Preliminary economy is a social system that is synonymous with theory and thought that requires expertise in understanding the material good, because understanding of theory and thought is needed in order to be able to study further economy. National income is a benchmark as to take into account a country economy to get an idea about the economy that has been accepted in the value of the expenditure product. Purpose of studying national income is to assess the level of progress and growth of a country in order to obtain the maximum value of goods and service product by the people in a period of 1 year, and to conceptualize a long-term development program. The benefit of studying national income is to know about the compression in the economy of a country can compare economic condition between region of between province, and can also compare the economic condition of country with another. History of national income. National income has a special meaning denoted by the letter. The calculation of national income was first carried out by Sir William Pitt in England. At the time, Pitt's name is Revenue Society, which is the sum of the value of wage rate second country. The calculation national income is foreign. The calculation of national income was carried out for the first time by Pierre Le Pechende. The importance of national income. National income is a tool used to measuring a global level of life or proficiency in a national or country continental. The level of life and progress of a country is determined by the comparison between the amount of national income with the total population in a country. Influencing factor national income. 1. Aggregate supply and demand. Aggregate demand is a list of all goods and services that sector of the economy will buy at various level price. Aggregate supply demand shows the relationship between the overall demand for goods and service according to the level of price. Consumption and saving. Consumption is the total spending to obtain goods and service in an economy in 1 year, while saving in the part of income that is not from consumption. Investment is a expenditure for creative new capital. The purpose of the investment is to repay part of the capital that had the maximum proportion of capital that is there is. Type of national income. 1. Gross domestic product. 2. Gross national product. Net national product. Net national income. Personal income. Tax. Tax of people contribution to the state treasury based on the law, so they can be enforced without receiving direct compensation. Taxes are levied by the authorities based on legal norms to cover the cost of product, collective good or service to accept to general well. The government agency that manages state taxation in Indonesia is the Direction General of Tax (GDT), which is one of the Direction General under the auspices of the Ministry of Finance of Republik Indonesia. For example, people who obey paying motor vehicle tax will go through the same quality road as people who do not pay tax motorized bicycle. It can be concluded about the element contained in the definition of tax among other of follow. 1. Taxes are collected based on the law. This principle is in accordance with the Third Amendment Constitutional. Do not get for service individual contract achievement that can be so direct. 3. Tax collection is intended for general government financial purpose in order to carry out government function, both road and development. 4. Tax collection can be void. Tax can be imposed in the top payer does not fulfill their tax obligation and may be subject to sanction in accordance with the law and regulation. In addition to the budgetary function, namely the function of filing the statutory state budget needed to cover the financing of government administration, tax also function a tool to regulate or implement state policy in the economic and social spend regulative function. Based on the above, the tax has a separate function, namely budget function, budgeter as a sort of state revenue. Tax function to finance state expenditures. Conclusion: national income is a measure of the value of expenditure in the form of goods and services produced by a country in a period of 1 year, or the total amount of received by the community in a country within 1 year. The concept of national income includes GDP, GNP, and NDI. There are the method of calculation national income, namely the method product income method and expense method. The benefit of calculation national income is to explore return to the structure of the economy in a country to find out unique level of income in a country. Factors that affect national income: the demand and agrarian supply convention and shopping and investment. Tax function to finance state expenditure to carry out routine tax of the state and carry out development. The state need money. This can be obtained from tribal expansion. Thank you.